This dish is one of the most delicious dishes of Hormozgan province in Iran. First, cook the chicken with a chopped onion, turmeric, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, and salt, then fry it and strain the chicken broth and set it aside. Also, season the chopped potatoes with salt and turmeric, fry them, and set aside. Chop a large onion and sauté it in a pan until it softens, then add spices such as turmeric, black pepper, and salt, and mix well. Then add soaked rice, soaked for 2 hours, to it and pour the strained chicken broth over the rice. Let it cook until the water evaporates, and when there is a little water left at the bottom of the rice, transfer it to a pot and cook over low heat for half an hour until steamed. For the filling, chop 2 large onions and sauté them in a pan with a little oil until softened. Add spices such as turmeric, salt, cumin, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, coriander, and black pepper, and mix well. Finally, add a cup of fully cooked chickpeas and mix well. Let it cook for 5 minutes over low heat. At the end, mix the chickpea mixture with the fried potato.